For today's video, I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing for you. Now this is just one item, and it is actually the item that I got in replacement of the Clemence notebook in the Monogram World Tour. If you are interested to know what I got, then please keep on watching. By the way, welcome back everyone, and for those of you who are new, please do click the subscribe button below. I would love for you to join the Obsession fam, and also follow me on Instagram so we can talk more about Louis Vuitton, bags, and other luxury items. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing. Alright, so a lot of you actually commented on that video and also on my post on Instagram that in the US, it is allowed to return the item as a repair item and have them change all the pages to new ones. Now I asked my essay about that, and she told me that for the notebooks, it is not actually possible. My essay have been with Louis Vuitton for a very long time, and she also went on a training for repair. With that, I believe her, and I don't even want to take the risk of writing on that notebook and not being able to reuse it when I needed to. I ended up exchanging that notebook with this one right here. So let us move on to the unboxing. So first things first, we have here my proof of purchase. And as always, I will put the prices in the description box below and also the link for this item. So it comes in this drop box right here. And the item comes in this dust bag. Someone, I think, commented on my previous video, on my unboxing video, to get this item, and I actually did. I did order this from my essay, and it took quite a while for it to arrive. I'm just really happy that it arrived before the 30-day exchange policy has run out. So yeah, I'm quite excited that I have this in my collection. And the item that I got is... Dun, 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 dun. Isn't she so gorgeous? I mean, come on, the S-Lock. This is the Paul notebook cover MM. It is in the monogram print with the red interior. So this item comes in the monogram and the epi leather, I think in the color black. So I got the monogram one just because it looks really stunning with the S-Lock right there. You guys know I'm a sucker for S-Lock and other locks. So the S-Lock right there, and you have a piece of vachetta that goes through at the back, and it is just one continuous canvas. And opening it up, I have a surprise for you guys. You have the red interior right there, and I got it hot stamped with the heart and the dog stamp right there, both in gold. And I chose the heart and then the dog just because I love dogs. I do have dogs. I have two poodles. One toy poodle, his name is Chippy. The other is Keiko. She's a girl, and she's a miniature poodle. I love the hot stamp. Oh my gosh. I tried asking my essay if I can get a luggage tag that I can put these hot stamps in, but she told me that they've been noticing the increase in the sales of their luggage tags, and so they're beginning to become strict in selling luggage tags. I don't know if it's just here in my country or if it's worldwide, but yeah, I wasn't able to get my hands on one. For those of you who are actually messaging me on Instagram asking me to buy them luggage tags, I'm so sorry, I cannot do that anymore because my SA won't allow me to. So these are the tags it comes with. That is the item code right there. So it's just as simple as that. It just has the red leather interior, and you have two pockets right there for wherein the cover of the notebooks will go into. Moving on to the notebooks that can actually fit this one. Now they say this is the A5 size, which is the normal size of a notebook. I have here a regular notebook. This is a hardbound notebook, and it is the A5 size. I don't know if you can see that, but it says A5. And I will show you that it does not fit. It's very hard to look for a notebook that fits here. My essay actually tried to put the Clemence notebook in here, and it does fit, but it is quite snug, and I didn't want to risk stretching out the leather right here because it just has one layer of stitching. I don't know if you can see that, but it just has one layer of stitching here, and I didn't want it to, you know, to stretch out too much. Here is the regular A5 notebook, and it doesn't fit at all. So I did delay my unboxing of this piece just because I wanted to unbox it and share with you the size of the notebook that I was able to fit in here. I just feel like it makes more sense that I do the unboxing together with a little information of which notebooks can fit inside. I did measure this part right here, the length of it, and I discovered that the notebook that can fit inside without it being too snug is the height should be 7 inches and the width should be around 5 inches. So that notebook size is actually the B6 notebook, which is not very common here in the Philippines. I had a hard time looking at that particular size of notebook. I was able to get one from Muji. So this is from Muji, and this is the B6 notebook, and it has the coils. They actually have the notebook version which doesn't have the coils. That was my ideal notebook, but when I went to the store in Greenbelt, they didn't have it in stock. They only had the A5, which doesn't fit in here. So I went ahead and purchased this one. For now, I will be using this one. And let me just show you guys that the B6 notebook actually fits inside without any problems whatsoever. It does have a little allowance or a little space on the slips right here, but it doesn't really bother me. So that's just how the pall cover with the notebook inside looks like. I just think that the size of this notebook is perfect for this cover. It doesn't take up the whole length of the cover, but I'm very satisfied with this size. So I got the black pages. That's the only one that is available when I dropped by the store, but I'm very happy with this one. I think the notebook retails for 155 pesos here in the Philippines. And yeah, I'm quite happy about it, and I'm really glad that I can actually start using this notebook cover. So the reason why I chose the Paul notebook cover over the Clemence notebook is that since this is just a cover, you have the freedom to change the notebook of your choice inside as long as it fits this cover, compared to the Clemence notebook, which is not really a notebook cover. It's just a regular notebook. And I think even if my essay says that you can have it repaired and replaced with a new or a fresh set of pages, I don't think I will still be happy with that purchase, just because the hassle of returning the item and having it repaired is just too much for me. Because here in the Philippines, the repair usually takes about a month or two, because they do send the item to Singapore and have it repaired there. And if Singapore doesn't have the replacement parts, it will take longer because they will order it from Paris and have it shipped to Singapore, and then that is the time when they will be able to repair the item. Plus, one of my main concerns is that what will happen to my pages. Like, I know they will be returning it to me, but they will be able to see all the stuff that I put inside my notebook, and that is a no-go for me. So pretty, so pretty, so pretty. So that's it, guys. That's everything that I have for you today. If you have any other questions about this notebook cover, since it is fairly new in the market, then please do leave your comments below. And again, if you're new to my channel, please do click the subscribe button below. Give me a thumbs up. Also, follow me on Instagram at Personal Obsession. Have a great day, guys, and take care. Bye!